Good morning, children. Today we are going to do essay on the seashore. Now tell me, children, how many of you have been visited to a seashore? What is a seashore? A seashore is a place near the sea. It is a full flat land. It has a small sand, very tiny. It is covered with brown color sand, and there is a water, full plenty of water is there. And on the seashore we find shells, small shells are there in the sand. And it is a beautiful place. It is an open space where all the people come and enjoy, and it is specially enjoyed during summertime. This place is enjoyed during the summertime. So we'll see and we'll read the essay on seashore. A seashore is an area of sand or small stones around the sea. A seashore is an area of sand, as I told you. What do you mean by seashore? It is an area of sand. It has small stones around the sea. It is a beautiful place. Yes, it is a beautiful place. The sand is soft and there are shells too. The sand is soft. What is the quality of the sand? It is very soft and there are shells too. There are many people on the seashore. There are many people on the seashore. Some children are playing with the balls and some children are flying kites. Yes, on the seashore is a place for all types of people, big or small, children's, young people, or for middle age. Yeah, we can say it is for senior citizen. This is a very cool place, very beautiful place. So all different types of people come and relax, enjoy this place. Mostly children also like this place. Some are making sand castles and decorating it also. Some are making what? Sand castles. Means with the help of the sand on the seashore, children enjoy making sand castles and then they decorate also. Wow! There are many hawkers and balloon men too. Yes, there are what? Many hawkers. Hawkers means what? The persons who sells eatables like coconut water, or you can see popcorn wala is there on the seashore, or you can see any chaat, or you can see any burger or pani puri, right, like that. So there are many hawkers also and balloon men also at the seashore. There are some fishermen on the sea in their boats. Yes, seashore is a place where fishermen also fish, try to catch fish from the sea, whereof they are in the boats. In the evening time, near the seashore during the sunset. Now when the sun is slowly setting down near the seashore during the evening time, the scene looks so beautiful as if the sun is going inside the sea. The scenery of the setting of the sun is so beautiful. It feels like that the sun is going literally inside the sea. It is hiding inside the sea. So once again we'll read the essay. I hope you have enjoyed the essay. The seashore. A seashore is an area of sand or small stones around the sea. It is a beautiful place. The sand is soft and there are shells too. There are many people on the seashore. Some children are playing with the balls and some children are flying kites. Some are making sand castles and decorating it also. There are many hawkers and balloon men too. There are some fishermen on the sea in their boats. In the evening time, near the seashore, during the sunset, the scene looks so beautiful, as if the sun is going inside the sea. So, dear children, I hope you understood the essay. So, please complete this essay in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting.